Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting variables. Power the phone off and remove the case, SIM, and SD card so nothing moves while you work. Once done, shine a bright light along the edges to find gaps, dust, or lifted adhesive. This tells you whether it's a software glitch or a hardware separation. Grab a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, microfiber cloth, and 90% isopropyl. These let you open and clean without scratching or shorting delicate contacts. Next, remove the screws and gently separate the screen using a plastic pry tool. Keep metal away from the board to prevent shorts. Once you have access, disconnect the battery before touching any ribbon cables. Safety first. Clean the digitizer and motherboard connectors with a microfiber and 90% isopropyl to remove oils or corrosion. Then carefully reseat the digitizer connector, making sure the latch clicks. This reestablishes the electrical contact that usually fixes unresponsive touch. Now reconnect the battery, replace any adhesive strips or apply new adhesive, and reassemble the phone carefully. Tighten screws just snug so you don't warp the frame. Power the device on and perform systematic touch tests. Tap corners, swipe edges, and try multi-touch gestures to verify responsiveness. If areas remain dead, make sure the connector is clean and properly seated. If problems persist, swap in a known good replacement digitizer to determine.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.